Hi, in this video tutorial you will learn about the concat function in Power Apps, how to differ from the concatenate function, and how you can use it to get records from a table and turn them into a string. Okay, so this is the syntax for the concat function. It has a table which contains the data, then the next parameter is the formula, and then the separator. Let's do some examples. First, I'm going to go to the app, and then go to the onStart property of the app. I'm going to expand the formula bar, and I'm going to add a formula here. The formula will be to create a variable, which is going to be called theme table. And here in the formula, I'm going to add a table with the following elements: name, thumb, row, manager, and a few more. Okay, this is the formula. You can close here. Now I'm going to go to run onStart to execute the onStart function and create the theme table in memory. Here on the left side, I'm going to insert a gallery and change the items property to the theme table. Okay, now here's the data. Let's format the gallery, change the layout to this other one. Okay, here we can change to row. You can reduce the size of the gallery, change the color. And here below the gallery, I'm going to insert a text label. And in the text property of the label, we're going to create the concat function. Let me expand the formula, bar, and do concat. Then we pass the theme table. And the formula will be name, row, like that, and we're going to add a carriage return at the end, so that one is displayed below the other. Instead, we could have a different separator, like a comma, for instance. They would display one next to the other with the comma as a separator. Let's leave it like this. Click Save. And here you can see the results. We are concatenating the elements of a table all in a single string, because the concat function returns a string. And you can also use a collection as a data source for the concat function. So let's try that. I'm going to copy this gallery, paste here. Now we're going to go to the onStart property of the app, and we're going to create a collection. So we will do a clear select. Let's call it theme collection, and add a few items. Now we have Pat, Jessica, Dave, and Karen. Let's run the onStart. I'm going to go here to the gallery and change the items property to the theme collection. Okay, the data was updated. Let's change the color of this one too. And I'm going to add a text label here. And we're going to create the concat function. Concat. Now, the difference is that we're going to use the theme collection as the data source. Now we're going to do the concat function, and the data will come from theme collection. The rest can be the same. And see, it also worked. Why? Because a collection is also data type table. Another thing that you can do is to add a filter to the collection. So you could go here and do filter the theme collection for row equals recruiter. And then see, just those two items are displayed. Don't confuse the concat function with the concatenate function, which is another one. The concatenate function is to concatenate strings, while the concat function, this one, is to concatenate items of a table. If you want to learn about the concatenate function, watch my other video here in the channel about it. Hey, if you like this video, please click like, and if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.